Today we're going to be replacing a cracked LCD screen in an Acer Aspire 5336-2615. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the battery and make sure that your AC adapter is not plugged in to the unit. Okay, you open up the screen and you remove these two little black round screw covers down on the bottom. Then you take your Phillips size 1 screwdriver bit and remove the two screws in the bottom of the screen bezel. Then you gently separate the bezel from the frame by going around the edge. Be very careful not to crack the bezel. Gently set that out of the way. Now you're gonna want to go around the frame of the screen, removing the 4 screws that are holding the LCD screen to the frame. Now that you have the screen unscrewed, you're going to want to very carefully separate the wire holding the webcam. It's taped to the back of the screen. And you're going to want to remove the screen connector. Very gently untape it, being very careful not to break this cable or the connector. And pull it right out. Now you'll want to go around the edge of your screen and remove the screws that are holding it to the frame. Should be 3 on each side. I'll remove the old screen from the frame. We're going to unpackage our new frame. Now most of your screens are going to come with a protective plastic screen over top of it. You'll want to keep that in place throughout the installation to keep your screen from getting damaged. Now you'll put your screen into the frame, and assembly is just the opposite of disassembly. You'll want to screw your new screen to your frame. Now you want to lay the screen down and reconnect your cable to the new screen, being again very careful with this connector, and tape it back in place using the existing tape. you'll want to tuck the wiring back up under where your bezel is going to go. You can now remove your protective covering off of your screen. And put your bezel gently back into place, snapping it around the screen as you go. Now you'll want to screw in the bottom two screws. Now you want to put your two little plastic cover pieces back over your screws. You'll want to put your battery back in. And you'll want to plug in your AC adapter and turn your laptop on to check that the screen is functional. And that's really all there is to it, and you saved yourself a few hundred dollars. Go online to laptopscreens.com and put in your make and model of your laptop and see what you can find.